Hello friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all in this session. A student who is doing B.Tech is very curious that if he joins M.Tech, then in which specialization he will be getting the maximum package. For which specialization candidate the public companies or the private companies are giving the maximum package, that is always a question in the back of mind. I will answer that also. But before that, everybody, let me tell you guys that more than 60% students are doing a job after a M.Tech which is not related to their core field. Sometimes they entirely switched from the civil background. Sometimes they go to a government job. Sometimes they do a business or other things. So more than 60% are not doing that job in which specialization they have done the M.Tech. So for those students who have no such interest of doing the private job in a particular core specialization, I always recommend that more than specialization they should be checking the college or going to a better college. But still, if some of the students want to go on a particular specialization and for choosing that specialization they want to know that what is the package of that particular specialization, I'll be telling you. Those who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my M.Tech from IIT Delhi in geotechnical engineering, and I have taught for more than past 11 plus years. Okay, guys, my profile is not that much important. The important is the package that you want to know. I will be telling you the package also. But before that, friends, let me tell you that the specialization in civil engineering are structures, construction technology and management. Okay, structures, construction technology management, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, environment, water resource. These will be found in almost every college. Almost every college, whether it is IIT, NIT or any other government college, you will be finding these specialization commonly in all branches. Apart from these, there are some other specializations also which is not very common, which you will not be finding in every college, like marine engineering you will be only finding in IIT Madras. Okay, rock mechanics you will be finding in IIT Delhi and couple of other IITs. Remote sensing you will be finding this in IIT Roorkee. Earthquake also you will be finding in IIT Roorkee, Kanpur and couple of other IITs. And interdisciplinary branches you will be finding in almost all colleges. Now, interdisciplinary branch means the students who are selected in any of the interdisciplinary branch will not be from a particular branch. Might be suppose GNR or whatever the interdisciplinary branch. So they are selecting from civil also, mechanical also, electrical also. That means the core specialization or the core thing you don't have to study there. Okay. Now, the variation of the package in this segment is huge. Means a package can be from 5 lakhs to 2 crores. Interdisciplinary branch doesn't mean that you will be getting less amount of package. Most of the students think what? That the core specializations the students are getting in a very good rank. When the rank is not that much good, then they are going for here. So if the rank is not good, that is why they are going here. So package will be less. No, guys, marine engineering. Only IIT Madras is producing the M.Tech graduates from marine. That means every year only 15 to 20 students are becoming the postgraduate or having a postgraduate degree in marine. Can you believe the demand of those candidates? There are thousands or lakhs of civil engineers every year it is coming. Thousands of structural engineers, thousands of geotechnical engineering, but marine only it is double digit. Can you believe that what package they will be getting because of the demand versus supply game? So that doesn't mean that here the package will be less. Okay, suppose you have done earthquake engineering, Might be a company of Japan will be hiring you in crore of package, and suppose you have done structures even from IIT, you will be getting only a 4 lakh or 3.5 lakh package. Okay, so here I am not telling you the amount. Here I'll be telling you a average amount. Here I'm not telling because variation is huge. A rock management student can get a 4 lakh package. He can get of course a 50 lakh package also. That depends on various other factors, depending upon his skills, depending upon his college, from which college he belongs, what's his skill, what is the demand of that company, how he perform in that particular interview. All these things are depending. So as there is huge branch, as there is huge deviation, I am constructing on the course specialization only. I am be restricting on the course specialization in this session. Okay, good evening everybody. Guys, keep sharing the session so that more students can join. Okay, now after that let me go one by one. Structural engineering. In structural engineering, your work will be more related to design and construction. Your work can be a white collar job or a black collar job. Black collar job means ऐसा नहीं घूस लेंगे. Black collar job means your job can be of design, can be of field as well. Okay, you can be doing a design, a software, ETAB or whatever, might be you're going to a field as well. So both can be there. Now, design, most of the students in India are going for this structural engineering. Although, if you ask me that what is the subjects of B.Tech that are related to structural engineering, are of course RCC, steel, structural analysis and strength of material. Basically it is RCC and steel. That is not the favorite subject of most of the students. Why I am saying this? Because when we have taken the mock interview of engineering service students, many of our students are selected also. Then let me tell you, more than 90% students have told that geotech is their favorite. I also surprised I didn't get the reason till now. So although most of the students are not having steel and RCC their favorite subjects, although yes, for some of the students it is their favorite subject, still they are going here not because of their interest, but they are going because here they have heard somewhere that the package is very good, the opportunity is very good. Guys, see, package I'll be commenting later, just after 5 minutes. Yes, but that is true. The number of jobs, the frequency of job is highest or one of the highest. Okay, it is one of the highest and it is mostly in Middle East. In Middle East area, mostly you'll be requiring a structural engineering. Now geotechnical engineering, okay, investigation of soil, consultancy, soil structure interaction, soil stabilization, retaining walls, foundation of every building, whatever construction you are doing, either a transportation, either a structure, either a whatever thing you are doing, foundation has to be done. Hawa mein nahi banaoge kuch. So geotechnical is more versatile, almost you can say equivalent to structure, and some of the companies that are recruiting are Afcons, L&T, Simplex, Piles. And it is globally, the demand is almost same. Like structural engineering, more demand or more density is near the Gulf, Middle East. But geotechnical everywhere continent it is required. Now transportation engineering, guys, as the development is increasing or the world is developing, every aspect of engineering of civil, every branch of civil is going to be boomed. Because development is related to construction also. I'm not saying it is only related to infrastructure. I'm not saying it is only related to construction. But yes, a large part is construction also. So civil engineering will boom. But out of the various parts of civil, transportation, water, environment, structure, if I say the highest rate of increase in last few years is transportation engineering. The highest rate of demand by the company is transportation engineers. Whereas if you see 1918 and 1990s, not much candidates or not much engineers are required from this. But now a huge requirement is there. And if you see across the globe it is required. But still in Australia, the package, the opportunities are larger than any other continent. Okay. So you can say the transportation, the most big packages or most high packages and most number of opportunities are in Australia. Now, if I go further, construction technology management, if you will be asking a student who has done B.Tech in 2009, 2010, he'll be asking what is this. He might be saying, hey, ye kya hai yaar? I don't know what is this branch is. But let me tell you, nowadays most of the people are either taking their first option as structures or this, because of more wider opportunities in more wider areas, because construction planning management can be going in all the branches of civil, environment, water resources, structure, geotech, plus other branches also. Because here you will not be dealing anything with stress, reinforcement, under reinforcement, over reinforcement, hydrostatic pressure and all these things, stress, strain, nothing. Here you are doing more related to PERT CPM. PERT CPM you have studied in your BTech. That subject is related. So that subject is equally used in accounts also, in business also, in any business also. So this is one high, more opportunities plus wider. Apart from civil, might be in a couple of other things also you can go with this branch. Okay, hello, welcome everyone. Now, environment engineering is the only engineering where the government jobs is available. Guys, see, a government job is equally available for civil BTech or a M.Tech from structure or geotech. But there are couple of posts, particularly in Ministry of Environment and Forest, where every year they are recruiting, and on that recruitment, civil engineer BTech is not allowed, only M.Tech from environment. Rarely you will be finding a post like M.Tech from water resource in government sector. M.Tech from geotech is required in government sector, but M.Tech from environment engineering is required in government sector. Not very huge, but yes, in a decent number. Of course, the number of students who are graduating or post graduating from this branch is also decent. It is also not in thousands. Okay. Then there is water resource engineering. In Europe, most it is required in Europe most. Of course, package is also there. Atkins is one of the good companies that is coming in IITs. WSP, McDonald's, Jacobs, Erkans, all these are required for water resource engineering. So there are interdisciplinary resource also. Now, the thing that you all are waiting for, what is the salary? What is the package? I already told you guys that more than 60% students who are doing M.Tech, after 3 years, if you ask them, they are not doing the job from the field in which they have done the M.Tech. Okay, so I totally believe when the option is to choose college and specialization, and if you have not very interest in a very particular interest in a particular branch, and you have not like this that I'll be doing PhD in this or I'll be doing a job in this in private company, then go for the college. Okay, because 60% chances are there that you are not doing the job in that particular core field that gives the data by the research. Now, salary. First thing is, before I'm telling the salary, that all these branches, rather than salary, you can tell that what are the more options or which branch has more number of vacancies. That question answer is also depending upon the location. Might be in India, I say the structure, geotech are more required than any other branch. Might be in Australia, transportation engineering have more number of jobs. Might be in Europe, it is water resource engineering. Okay, so if you ask before that all these telling things, let me tell you that this branch requires RCC steel structural analysis. This will require soil mechanics and foundation. This will require your network PERT CPM thing. Transportation, of course, you know, highway, railway, airport. Water resource will be requiring the knowledge of fluid mechanics, little bit of hydrology as well, and environment, of course, the environmental engineering. Okay, so I'll be taking the doubts at the end. So rather than the package, most of the times I told you the number of jobs or the opportunity can be different. Package can be more here, can be more here, can be more here, anywhere, but although I'll be telling you the rough package. So in India or in the subcontinent, more number of jobs are for structures, okay, geotech, construction management in last 7 to 8 years. Transportation, it is decent. Water resource, I am saying that comparatively lesser. Environment is very good, package is also very good, but number of jobs is comparatively lesser. Okay, now if I talk about the package from IITs, okay, from IITs if I talk, what is the package? that if you have done your M.Tech from IIT, because package is also depending upon from which college you have done, na? Structure from any private college will do nothing, but even the rock mechanics from IIT will give you a good job. Okay, so first thing I am telling about that the average package from IIT, that also will be depending upon how you have done from IIC, IIT Bombay, IIC Bangalore, IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur, like this. Of course, the package in IIT Bombay, then IIC Bangalore, okay, then little bit IIT Kharagpur also. IIT Kharagpur is also greater than package from any other IIT. But of course that is very average thing I have told, because for ocean engineering IIT Madras is rocking, guys. Of course it is only available there also. Now for IIT, if you see, for structural engineering, can you guess me on the comment box what will be the average package from IIT graduate? Of course, guys, let me tell you a very truth. I don't know how you will be able to believe me or understand me, that the package from IIT, average package, if you will ask me, then the package divided by the number of students, okay, then it will be less than 2 lakhs or even less than 1 lakh per year. I am saying. The reason being, suppose you go to IIT Delhi, out of the 12 students, 1 student will be placed, 11 students will not be placed. 11 students are not placed not because of their incapability, but because they have not shown or not willing to take the placement. Because IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi, IIT BHU, IIT Roorkee, all want to go to the government sector. Leave placement. They are even not trying for the placement. In my college, I have told many times, in IIT Delhi Geotechnical Engineering 2012 to 2014 batch, out of the 13-14 students in our GTech, only 2 students have filled the form from which they are eligible for placement. Otherwise 12 students have even not filled the form. Okay, so average package in that case will be very, very less. Annual package will be less than 1 lakhs if you see all number of students, because suppose one student will get 12 lakh package, other students will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 like this, divided by suppose 12 and 14, so it will be 98,000 or whatever, 98,000 annual package, annually. Okay, so whatever I will be writing here, that will be on the basis of average package, those who are selected. Otherwise, if you take total number of students, it will be very, very less, because in most of the IITs, particularly north, students are not even interested in sitting in the placement. Leave about the offer, leave about the bargaining in the offer, leave about the negotiation. So whatever the word I am writing here, that will be on the basis of the reports published by IIT to Ministry of HRD, Human Resource Development, and the average among those students who are actually placed, those who shown interest. Okay, so for structural engineering, the average package, guys, I don't know, you have seen very unexpected number, hypothetical number, okay, very imaginary number. Average package of BTech also in civil is 4 to 6 lakhs, guys, in IIT Delhi. So if you are seeing that I am writing here 14 lakh, 16 lakh, you will be very, very happy. No, I will be writing the real data. The real data will be 5 to 8 lakhs. And actually, if you see like this way, package, other student 0, this will be even very, very less. So I will be taking only those students who are actually placed. Okay. Yes. Let me go further. Everybody. Now, this is the average package of structures. Now, suppose I am going to Geotech. So, Geotech, the average package, this is first of all I am writing for IT, then I will be writing for an IT also. So, this will be around 4 to 6 lakhs. Okay, construction management. Guys, construction management average package will be quite high, because here nobody remains unplaced. Almost every student gets placed because of the wider opportunities. Not only he will be required in specialization, because he will be managing the project per CPM. He will be required in structure, water resource. He will be required in water resource, environment, geotech, everywhere. Apart from civil, might be in some few other areas also he will be required. That is just like an MBA of civil. Okay, so here the average package is more than structures. it is around 7 to 10 lakhs. Might be a surprise for many of you. I'm writing the average package of IIT, then I'll be going to NIT also. 7 to 10 lakhs. Then transportation, again 4 to 5 lakhs. Okay, might be I'm taking the package that were selecting in India only. Otherwise, if you go to Australia, transportation, they will be giving 1 crore also. So water resources, 3 to 6 lakhs. Environment, again 4 to 6 lakhs. This is the average package. I am again reminding you, this is the average package of those students who actually got placement. Otherwise, the average package will be very, very less because various students are not getting the package. Okay, so this is from IIT. Now, let me go to NIT. Let me go to NIT and triple ITs and IIT Guwahati also. Why IIT Guwahati I am writing in this list? Why IIT Guwahati I am writing in this list? Because if you see post-graduation course of IIT Guwahati, they are almost equivalent to NIT. If you see the post-graduation college of post-graduation colleges, then it will be equivalent to post-graduation courses for civil engineering, then IIT Guwahati is NIT range, depending upon the placement and all these things. Okay. Now, guys, for structure, let me again remind you, this is for NIT. The average package will be around 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, in this range. I am telling you the truth. If you want to see some hypothetical numbers, I can also write 50 lakh, 60 lakh. Okay, the truth of the country right now is this. And civil engineering, please don't get demoralized. देखो, अगर ऑफिसर बन गए इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस में चले गए तो पावर भी फिर तुम्हारे ही पास है. In private, initially the package is not good, but yes, it is always a linear growth and more stable than IT and computer science. Because in IT and computer science, after 5 years, a different language is coming. So when that different language is coming, that means if you are upgrading yourself, you are super fine. Otherwise, you may flop also. You may decline also. In civil engineering, बाल पकते जाएंगे, value बढ़ती जाएगी. Okay, so geotech is also around 3.5 lakhs. Construction management might be 4.5 lakhs here. Transportation here is again 4 lakhs. Water resources again 3.5 lakhs here. And this is again 3 to 4 lakhs here. But from NIT, if you are going, I recommend you to go for the top branches. Might be you have to go to some different NIT. Might be NIT Allahabad नहीं मिला तो NIT कुरुक्षेत्र जाना पड़े. NIT कुरुक्षेत्र नहीं तो NIT जयपुर जाना पड़े. But in that case, go for the better branches in case of NIT. But never leave IIT for structures in NIT. That is the golden rule, guys. Never leave IIT for structures in NIT, guys. Even you want to do anything in your life, even you want to do a private job also, then also I'm saying never leave IIT for a NIT. Okay. So this is the average package of NIT, IIT I've already shown. Are you getting this? Everybody. Again, guys, those students have just joined. Let me tell you, summarize this session. Summarize, guys, please put a heart sign on the comment box. Please put a heart sign on the comment box. Let me summarize this session, then I'll be taking care of doubts. First thing, more than 60% of the students, after they do M.Tech, after 2 years, they are not doing the job in their core field. So if you are totally blank or 50% blank, go for a better college. Because most chances that you are not doing job in your core field. Might be a geotechnical engineer doing a job in structures. Why, sir? Why this happened? I'm not getting this. Let me tell you. A civil engineering B.Tech guy can go to a company, can go to a civil company. Yes, sir. So when civil engineering B.Tech guy can go to a company, then that company can be of geotech, can be of water, can be environment, can be structures. Correct? So only a B.Tech graduate is not knowing that in what company he will be going in 3rd year before he got placement. Similarly, sometimes what happen, a company goes to IIT Delhi and there are only 12 candidates in structure, and out of those 12 candidates, 7 candidates are not shown interest in their company or not shown interest in the placement, and 3 candidates have shown or already placed. So of course, what happens, see the larger area, see the common sense. In a IIT, in a particular geotech, water, environment, whatever, only 12-14 students will be selecting in one IIT. When a company goes, they might to get to know that out of those 14, 10 are not interested and 2 are already placed. So then they will not be putting all their effort for 2 candidates. Then usually what they do, they say that okay, structure only 2 candidates left, then call for geotech also. यार हम सिखा देंगे. वैसे भी whatever the work you are doing in the company, then most of the times rather than college, BTech and M.Tech, whatever the training they give you in 2-3 initial months, that is important. So they will say जियोटेक वालों को बुलाओ या ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वालों को बुलाओ. अच्छा तुम्हारे कॉलेज में किस किस में अच्छी रैंक जाती है, जियोटेक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में बुलाओ, उनको बुलाओ. So this may happen. That is why I am saying, or this may happen where the companies are coming and the students are getting placement. So that is IIT, not NIT. That is why I am saying that don't go for an IT structure by leaving IT. Have you got this concept? Yes or no? Yes, Swapnil, have you got? And guys, tomorrow 5:30 p.m. 5 p.m. I'm coming. Civil versus mechanical war, guys. Prizes will be there. Okay. IIT Ropar structure, IIT Delhi transportation. 100% IIT Delhi transportation. 100% without a doubt. And the logic I have given just now. Because in good companies, college goes. In good company, college goes. What has happened to my English? In good college, company goes. And when that company doesn't find the enough number of candidates, then they call other branches also. यार हम सिखा देंगे, इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है ना, आईटी दिल्ली का है ना, आईटी दिल्ली में चला गया अभिनव नेगी. अब अभिनव नेगी को लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को तो 5 बच्चे सिलेक्ट करने थे, पर इनके तो स्ट्रक्चर में 2 ही बच्चे बचे, बाकी कहीं और प्लेसमेंट हो गए. तो मैं सोचूंगा यार मेरे को स्ट्रक्चर्स का हूँ, मैं एचआर हूँ सपोज. अब मैं सोचूंगा यार का एनआईटी इलाहाबाद जाऊँ क्या. मैं कहा एनआईटी इलाहाबाद स्ट्रक्चर छोड़ो यार, आईटी दिल्ली जियोटेक वाले को बुलाओ, ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगा, सिखा देंगे. हमारे हैं ना वो रावत जी शर्मा जी, सिखा देते हैं वो. अब बुलाओ इन्हीं के जियोटेक वाले को लो, इनको लो. दिस हैपेंस गाइज. ओके, so this is the average package of NIT and IIT. I have told this before. So guys, this is the PYQ series running on. Some subjects are done, some are still there. Please do watch them. Scholarship test. The scholarship test will be on 18th of June. Please do register for this scholarship test for getting 90% discount. Rakesh sir is taking a workshop, how to ace GATE in 8 months. That will be on 20th June. Please do register for this workshop. I'll be taking care of doubts, guys. This will be 5 p.m. now. Okay, tomorrow 5 p.m. Winner, guys, let me check that who is the winner. Till now, Civil is leading. Score as of now is 2-0. Score as of now is 2-0. But this is just only for branch winner. 5 prizes will be giving. That will be based on the students, not on civil mechanical. So every day who are coming top 3, maximum number of times who come top 3 will be giving them prizes. Okay, now this is tomorrow. I will be doing thermal stresses. Tomorrow 6 p.m. 5 p.m. Tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, this will be 5 p.m. tomorrow, guys. I'll be taking. Okay. Tomorrow 5 p.m. I'm taking on YouTube. Then quiz will be at 5:30 p.m. on app. Quiz will be at 5:30 p.m. on app, and you can join me in Telegram Civil by Abhinav sir. Yes, now your questions. Okay. Bits planning का क्या करेंगे यार? Okay. Bits planning का क्या? Placement के लिए अच्छा. If you want to go for the placement, it's fine. Okay. So bits planning for placement is fine. Yes. चलो और कोई डाउट पूछा है ना? I have got IIT हैदराबाद स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग बिट्स. अरे IIT हैदराबाद बिट्स प्लानिंग में फीस इतना लग जाएगा. Okay, IIT हैदराबाद, even in IIT you're getting better branch structural. Okay, any more doubt? Okay, sorry sir. NIT Srinagar structures, NIT Kurukshetra Geotech structure. NIT देखो प्राइवेट में जाना है, NIT कंपैरिजन है तो स्ट्रक्चर में चले जाओ. अगर प्राइवेट में जाना है, जरा सा भी मन है कि तैयारी करना है, तो आंख बंद करके कुरुक्षेत्र में फीस जमा करा दो, आंख बंद करके. I am telling the answer of NIT Srinagar versus NIT Kurukshetra. Sir, for NIT from structural engineering M.Tech preparation is possible? Yes, of course possible. That is even possible from IIT also. Okay. Any more doubt? So I have tell everything about the packages, guys. Okay. So don't इधर उधर की बातों में पत पड़ना. सही डाटा मैंने आपको दे दिया है. कोई कहेगा 50 लाख मिल रहा है, कोई कहेगा 1 करोड़ मिल रहा है, तो तुम एक काम करना, उससे कहना एग्रीमेंट साइन कर ले. तुम मेरे को 15 ही दियो, 35 लाख तू ले लियो मेरे कमाने के बाद. एग्रीमेंट साइन कर ले अभी, इतनी गारंटी से कह रहा है 50 लाख पैकेज. तो अगर कोई तुम्हें कहे 50 लाख लग जा रहा है आईसी से, तो तुम कहना कि 15 मेरे से साइन कर ले, तू 15 लाख में मैं खुश हूं भाई. है ना। और वाकई में अगर मैं तुम्हारा नुकसान नहीं कर रहा, तुम कहोगे सर मैं तो 50 लाख वाला कैंडिडेट हो सकता हूँ ना, मैं तो 50 लाख वाला कैंडिडेट हो सकता हूँ ना, मैं क्यों 15 में आऊँ। तो भाई यार अगर तुम 50 लाख वाला कैंडिडेट हो तो एक कंपनी नहीं 50 कंपनियां लेंगी, तो दूसरी कंपनी में चल जाना। ओके ओके गाइस, ओके, any more doubt? I'm waiting for your doubts guys, and tomorrow will be the civil versus mechanical war. Okay, so here tomorrow 5 p.m guys, I'll be waiting for all of you. 5 p.m I'll be waiting for all of you guys. Okay, okay. Thank you everybody guys, thank you all, take care, thank you.